Ever wondered what those numbers on the food labels mean? Let's delve into the world of nutrition facts labels. The secret to making healthier food choices begins with understanding these labels. They're not just a bunch of arbitrary numbers, but a roadmap to better health and wellness. Let's start with the top of the label, where you'll find the serving size and the number of servings per container. This is crucial, as all the information on the label pertains to one serving size, not necessarily the entire package. If you're consuming 2 servings, make sure to double the values on the label. Next, we have the calorie count. This is the total number of calories in one serving, not the entire package. It's important to know how many calories you're consuming in relation to your daily needs. Remember, not all calories are created equal, so it's essential to look at where those calories are coming from. Moving down the label, we come across a list of nutrients. This is where things get interesting. You'll want to limit your intake of saturated fats, trans fats, and added sugars. These are the culprits often associated with health issues like heart disease and diabetes. On the other hand, nutrients like fiber, vitamin D, and calcium are your friends. Try to get more of these into your diet for better overall health. Finally, remember to compare labels. Even similar products can have vastly different nutritional profiles. By comparing labels, you can make healthier choices that align with your dietary goals and needs. With a better understanding of nutrition labels, you can make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle. So, the next time you're in the grocery store, take a moment to read the label. Your body will thank you. But understanding labels is just the start. How we eat also plays a crucial role. Have you heard of mindful eating? It's a simple yet powerful approach to eating that focuses on savoring each bite and being fully present in the moment. Now, how can you practice mindful eating? Here are some tips. First, serve yourself smaller portions. This can help you avoid overeating and appreciate the flavors more. Next, remove distractions. That means putting away your phone and turning off the television. By doing this, you can fully engage with the meal in front of you. Also, remember to chew slowly. This not only aids in digestion, but it also helps you recognize when you're full, and if possible, enjoy meals with others. Sharing a meal encourages connection and can make mindful eating more enjoyable. By practicing mindful eating, not only do we enjoy our meals more, but we also make healthier decisions. Now that we're equipped with the knowledge of nutrition labels and mindful eating, let's discuss the building blocks of a balanced diet. A balanced diet is more than just eating a variety of foods. It's about ensuring you get the right nutrients in the right proportions. First, let's consider fruits and vegetables. They are nature's treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim to fill half your plate with these colorful powerhouses. Next, whole grains. These aren't just about keeping you full. They provide essential fiber and energy to keep you going throughout the day. Proteins are the building blocks of our bodies, supporting muscle and brain function. From lean meats to legumes, there's a protein source for everyone. Lastly, dairy or fortified alternatives. They offer calcium and vitamin D, vital for strong bones and teeth. Remember, a balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health. With understanding nutrition labels, mindful eating, and balanced diet, you're well on your way to a healthier lifestyle.